Hey, today is Wednesday, the 27th after the close. Taking a look at the S&P 500 as we get ready to trade Thursday and Friday. So we just finished trading for Wednesday. This is truly the end of the quarter as far as um, settlement goes. Anything that's been traded through today will settle in Q1. Anything that's traded tomorrow or Friday starts getting settled in Q2. So we had a pretty nasty spill today here on the S&P. You can see we came in, completely failed, clear fail against our 28, 29, 44 level, lost our 10-day simple moving average, and then proceeded down. And this time we pressed all the way down to test the low on the week so far, which was on Monday. The outlook for tomorrow, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 closes in a row underneath the 10-day simple moving average. We've got one single orphan close below the 20-day. We weren't able to pull that off Tuesday, and today they held the line above there as we got down, into that last little sell program at the end of the day today. The bounces that we saw intraday today could not maintain any leverage above 2809.79, which was the high of the day on Monday. So looking at tomorrow, you got to see them clear the way above 28.10 and then take out this 10-day simple moving average. And in between 28.10 and the 10-day simple moving average is this big breakout level of 28.17. Okay, that's going to get you to the upside. If we come in and we can't make it above this 28.10 area to the 10-day simple moving average, then we're probably going to break the 20-day, test today's low, maybe test a little closer to Monday's low, but I think we're just going to break and we're going to make this big move down here to test 27.65. I want to caution you about something, though, that is coming our way that could produce a huge, huge rally. Back here over to the left on the chart, you see this golden cross that we had back at the beginning of March when the 50-day crossed up through the 100-day. And leading up into this golden cross was this big sell-off here at the beginning of March. And what are we doing now? We're starting to see a big sell-off, and we're about to get the real true golden cross where the 50-day crosses back up through the 200-day. These guys made their bearish cross. I don't want to gunk up the video right now. I'll leave you that statistic later. If I start rolling the chart right now, it'll get all sticky and freeze up on me because my system doesn't like QuickTime and Thinkorswim at the same time. But anyways, this golden cross is due coming our way Friday or Monday, I would say. If I'm being too conservative, maybe I really don't think it'll happen tomorrow. I don't really think the 50-day is moving quite that fast. They might come together and be very close tomorrow. So I think in terms of that, what we could see is a day like this tomorrow where we plunge down one last time and then reverse, and then on Friday we begin a rally on out, to end the week. If I'm a day early, then we're going to have 2 more days of selling, and we're going to make this big reversal day like this on Friday. But I would look very closely at this pattern that we saw here and note it when we get to this golden cross that's coming our way, like I said, either by Friday or Monday when the 50-day crosses up through the 200-day. And as far as that downside, let's visit that one more time. 27, 65, 81, that would give us a nice, clean, a little less than 100 points clip off of the high that we set 1 week ago last Thursday. So that would be kind of interesting, too, that if we flush down to hold the 2760 handle in some form or another. It would be 1 week ago that we were trading at 2860. Market loves that, traders that are just, sort of like working off of round numbers like that would be like, well, we're 100 points off of that now. I'm going to get long. So that could be a motivating factor as well. We are seeing that the 10-day simple moving average is beginning to hook over. So this is going to be maybe a little bit lower bar to have to cross tomorrow. So maybe it's not quite going to take the 28.21 that it would have taken today to grab that and hold on to it. So if I'm all wrong about assuming this downside scenario down here, and we end up coming in tomorrow and getting an early start to a rally on this coming golden cross, because tomorrow Anything bought or sold tomorrow will be settled in the second quarter. Um, then maybe what we're going to end up seeing is a takeout of that lower 10-day simple moving average, move up over Tuesday's high, which is our high for the week, and then get back to business dealing with what went on Thursday and Friday of last week. Okay, I hope this all made sense. If you have any questions, just send me a DM. Otherwise, have a good evening and see you in the morning.